Hi, Tobi Jack here for AdvantageLumber.com, and in the next 90 seconds or less, we're going to show you how we cut slabs on the Wood Mizer 1000. The Wood Mizer 1000 is a twin-rail hydraulic sawmill capable of cutting logs up to 67 inches in diameter of any length depending on the rail configuration. Here at Advantage Lumber, we have a rail length of 40 foot, so we can safely accommodate logs up to 30 foot. The Wood Mizer 1000 has two 42-inch steel-crowned wheels that turn our 386-inch bandsaw blade in a continuous loop. Once a log has been selected for cutting, it is placed on the cutting bed between the rails. Wooden chocks are used to secure the log in position to prevent it from rolling off. The operator then selects the blade height and positions the cutting head on the control panel located in the ride-along operator station. With the blade engaged, the operator moves the saw head down the rails to begin cutting. With the 50 horsepower motor driving the blade, the Wood Mizer 1000 can cut logs into halves, quarters, slabs, or manageable cants for resawing. Once our slabs are cut, they are cataloged and placed on our website for sale. And because we eliminate the middleman, you save money by buying direct from the mill. And that's our Wood Mizer 1000. If you'd like to see more slabs that come off it, visit our page at woodslabs.com. And remember, all orders over $1,500 ship free. For Advantage Lumber and woodslabs.com, I'm Tobi Jack, wishing you a slabtastic day.